Hey fellow garden lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet potatoes, a super nutritious and versatile crop that many of us love. But have you ever wondered why sweet potatoes grown in soil bags seem to produce so many tubers? In this video, we'll explore the science and techniques behind this phenomenon, and I'll show you how you can maximize your harvest at home. Let's get started. Soil bags are becoming increasingly popular among home gardeners, especially for growing root vegetables like sweet potatoes. But what exactly makes soil bags so special? First, they provide a controlled environment that mimics the ideal conditions for tuber growth. The bags are breathable, which allows for better aeration and drainage. This helps prevent waterlogging and ensures that the roots have enough oxygen to thrive. The loose soil inside these bags gives the tubers plenty of room to expand. Unlike compacted garden soil, the medium in these bags is usually lighter and fluffier, making it easier for the tubers to grow without resistance. So why do sweet potatoes grown in soil bags tend to produce more tubers? Here are a few key reasons. Enhanced root development. Soil bags encourage the roots to spread out and explore the entire space. The more the roots spread, the more tuberous roots, or sweet potatoes, they produce. The aeration provided by the bags also stimulates root branching, leading to an increased number of tubers. Controlled environment. Because you're growing in a bag, you have more control over the growing conditions. You can choose the perfect soil mix, maintain optimal moisture levels, and even move the bags to follow the sun. All of these factors contribute to healthier plants and a more abundant harvest. Heat retention. Soil bags tend to warm up faster than the ground, especially if they're dark-colored. This warmth accelerates the growth of the sweet potatoes as they thrive in warm conditions. The result? More tubers in a shorter amount of time. Now that we know why soil bags are so effective, let's talk about how you can grow sweet potatoes in them. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Choose the right bag. Select a breathable fabric bag, ideally around 15 to 20 gallons in size. This gives the roots enough space to grow and produce multiple tubers. Prepare the soil. Use a well-draining, loose soil mix. A combination of compost, sand, and loamy soil works great. Avoid heavy clay soils, as they can hinder root development. Plant the slips. Sweet potatoes are grown from slips, which are sprouts from a mature sweet potato. Plant them about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart in the soil bag. Water consistently. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot, while underwatering can stress the plants and reduce tuber production. Fertilize as needed. Use a balanced fertilizer or one slightly higher in potassium to encourage tuber growth. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as too much nitrogen can lead to excessive vine growth at the expense of the tubers. After about 90 to 120 days, your sweet potatoes should be ready for harvest. You'll know they're ready when the foliage starts to yellow and die back. Simply dump the soil bag and collect your sweet, nutritious tubers. Remember, the key to a bountiful harvest is consistency. Consistent watering, feeding, and care. And don't forget to rotate your soil bags every season to prevent nutrient depletion. And there you have it. Why sweet potatoes grown in soil bags tend to produce so many tubers and how you can achieve the same success in your garden. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.